Welcome to Grow My Saving. Today we're uncovering one of the biggest traps in the money world, the get-rich-quick mindset. You've seen the ads. Make $10,000 a week, or turn $100 into $10,000 overnight. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the truth. If it were that easy, everyone would be rich already. In this episode, we'll talk about why get-rich-quick doesn't work, the psychology behind it, and what actually leads to lasting wealth.
The get-rich-quick promise works because it plays on our emotions, greed, impatience, and hope. We all want success fast, but real wealth isn't built in days. It's built over time through consistent action. Scammers, fake gurus, and shady programs use this dream to sell shortcuts, from secret trading systems to guaranteed passive income schemes. And most of the time, they're the only ones getting rich, off you. If someone promises instant wealth with no effort, remember, that's not investing, that's gambling. Even when a get-rich-quick scheme works for a while, it usually collapses fast. Maybe it's a pump-and-dump crypto coin, a high-risk stock tip, or a flashy business opportunity. Here's what usually happens. People jump in without research. Early hype creates excitement. Then when reality hits, prices crash. And most investors lose everything. The emotional roller coaster, greed, excitement, panic, leaves people burned out and broke. Real wealth doesn't come from chasing trends. It comes from discipline, knowledge, and time. So how do people really get rich? Start small, but start now. Even small investments compound over time. Be consistent. Regular investing beats chasing random hype. Focus on skills, not shortcuts. Learn about budgeting, saving, and investing smartly. Invest for the long term. Time in the market beats timing the market, always. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't dig it up every week to see if it's growing. You nurture it and let time do the work. That's how real financial growth happens. Slowly, steadily, and securely. Every millionaire investor you admire, Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, or even self-made entrepreneurs, took years, not weeks, to build wealth. They didn't chase hype, they built habits. So instead of trying to get rich quick, focus on getting rich for sure, through smart, steady decisions.
Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Saving. Remember, the fastest way to wealth is often the slow, consistent one. Stay smart, stay patient, and let time and discipline work for you. And in our next episode, we'll talk about the power of consistency in investing, how small, regular actions can build massive results over time.